Europe's Ryder Cup golf team may have lost to the United States last year, but Team UK got some revenge when they beat Team USA in a different variation of this sport, Footgolf. The team won by 11 points at the inaugural Footgolf Jansen Cup in Palm Desert, California. The tournament was contested by the two countries' top-ranked 24 players, including 4 women and 4 men's seniors per side. The growing sport is played in a similar system to the Ryder Cup with 4-ball, foursomes and singles matches over 2 days of competition. Meanwhile, in South Africa, CGTN's Scheier went to find out more about the football and golf hybrid sport and try her hand on the green.
It's played in 24 countries and some claim it's the fastest growing sport in the world. This is Footgolf, and chances are it will soon be coming to a golf course near you. Today I've come to see what Footgolf is all about. Footgolf is a relatively new sport in South Africa, combining football and golf. It's played on a golf course, and I'm also going to have a go and learn some tips from Ryder Batista.
Footgolf is mirrored on golf. So the rules are exactly the same, the ethics are exactly the same. You play from tee box to the green, get the ball in as least amount of kicks as possible. And Footgolf is quite a simple game.
A powerful shot is useful, but not decisive. The important part is reading the course, and just like in golf, there are the same obstacles. I'm, however, struggling with my putt.
Difficulty depending on your ability to kick. So if you generally can kick a ball, the sport's not very difficult at all. If you're new to it and you haven't got a footballing background, yeah, it can be a little bit tough, but once you get into it, it actually is quite enjoyable and it becomes quite easy.
Footgolf started in the Netherlands in 2009. The international sport made its South African debut 3 years ago, and it has since exploded in popularity.
Popularity has grown tremendously in the last, I'd say, call it the last 2 years. There's been a big boom in Footgolf. Currently, South Africa is the only African country playing Footgolf, with Morocco and I believe Zambia are jumping on board. But at the moment, South Africa is the only recognized one in Africa.
Ryder Batista is perfecting his putt with hopes that one day Footgolf becomes an Olympic sport, attracting more South African players.
As far as Olympics, we are in the process of applying to be an Olympic sport. I think we will definitely miss the next one, but most probably the following one we will be recognized as an Olympic sport.
Like any great sport, the rules are easy to grasp, but the technique is difficult to master. And I think I'm going to require a little extra training. Scheier, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.